Hey there, ladies and gents. If you have landed on this video, then welcome. My name is Reese. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer based in the UK in London. And currently, we are on a mission, a goal to start a second online business for as little investment as we can, but the aim to generate, $100,000 in commissions or sales generated online. If you've come to this channel and you are unaware of who I am or anything about me, um, there are videos on my profile that you can check out that give you a bit more of an overview, a bit more about my story, of where I am in the world of online marketing and affiliate marketing today. Uh, and briefly, it goes something like this. At 21, I met a multi-millionaire in the United States where I learned a lot about e-commerce and online marketing. At 23, unfortunately, my father passed away, left with grief and depression. And some of you watching this, I'm sure you can relate in some type of way. 25, I was sectioned under the Mental Health Act during the pandemic. And then at 28, I now make a full time income from affiliate marketing. And I'm always on the lookout for different online business models and business in general. So if you saw, the part of the series that these videos are now, a part of, this is pretty much day two. If you watch the first video of us setting the business up, you'll now see that I have signed up for My Legion Secret. And I signed up under Michael Day's link if you are watching that or aware. Because if you watch my first video, I think it's really important to reward people, that show opportunities to you. Okay, and affiliate marketing is a great way to reward individuals for sharing businesses, opportunities, in different verticals, different industries, whatever it might be. But if you do share something with someone, it's important to make sure that you reward that person because it's pretty much only fair, right? They've shown you something, and yeah, it's just a good gesture to do. Now, as you can see, I've signed up to MLGS. Yeah, just to show we have that. Now, if I go into the back end, um, you'll see I now have my leads set up and ready to go. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to click on mailing system, which you can see right here. And what we're going to do is send from myself, okay? So what I'm going to do is here is select all. So these are who have been selected for the emails. Now, what we have to do is, as you can see here, we have the body of text that's going out and also the subject line here. Now, if you aren't aware, the business model or the business product that I'm going to be promoting is HBA. It's $25, guys. It gives you access to unlimited funnels or domains and funnel builders to help start your online business. It is cheaper than a lot of the other products on the market, and you are going to need a funnel builder in order to start and run an online business. Okay, so it's great value, and ultimately it has the potential for you to generate an extra income. So there's some great training. I had a look at some of the training yesterday. As you can see, I have the HBA Premium You can sign up to that. That is an additional $125 a month. You do get a 2-week free trial to test it out. So be sure to check that out. And then I have followed these steps to sign up for my affiliate zone. Okay, so the product's great. And this is what we are going to be promoting. Okay, so what we're going to do, we are going to go to our mailing system. Now, what we're going to want to do, I have actually created some emails, some copy, some copywriting that are hopefully going to show the leads the product and the benefits of joining, and this is what we are going to send out today. So you can send by date, which will be today's date, and then again your name and sent from MLGS. So I have an email here, and this is what we're going to start off with. Okay, so this is our subject line. We're going to go back to our mailing system. We are going to copy and paste that into the subject line. Now, what we're going to do is also copy and paste this, the email that I have created into the sender. Now, what I'm going to do is make it look as good as we can. So, once you're signed up to this service and you're building your business, you're going to want to come here and copy this and add it into your email to make sure it's delivered to the correct person. Now, what we also need to do, if you've signed up to HBA or you've looked at this program, we're going to go to Samcart, which is where this business or the affiliate payouts are hosted. So what we want to do is copy this, which will be our referral link. Now, what we're going to need to do is make sure that we have this included in our email. So if we click the link button here and the URL, this is the URL that we are going to be sending. So when our customers click on this link, they will be redirected or referred via us. Okay, so what I want to do is click perfect timing here. Now, right now, I have the one MLGS account. I'm sure this will increase in future videos or if you're watching this back. But yeah, we just want to make sure that it reads correct, and then we are going to send this as our email. So if we preview it before, lifetime commissions of up to $20 get paid today. So we have our body of text here, and it looks like everything is working. I believe when you're logged into Samcart, you can't see it in the URL, but that looks to be working fine, and that looks pretty good to me. I just want to make sure that this first name is correct, so I'm just going to copy and edit that real quick. But yeah, okay, great. So that is our email that we're going to be sending out. The business is pretty much set up. And look, I am not expecting to make money right off the back of this. There's some great benefits to using this, using a system like this, which if you aren't aware of digital marketing or anything like that, there's more information around this video. There's going to be links down below. I'm personally kind of on a quest to help impact a certain amount of people to develop their skills with affiliate marketing and create awareness around it, and also ultimately help anybody that is looking to help themselves, earn some extra money online. So what we're going to do, as I say, we've clicked perfect timing, and we are going to send this email. So as you can see, it is loading at the moment and the message has been queued. Okay, so you can send these every looks like 23 hours, 24 hours. So we will continue to do that. And yeah, that is the business setup. As I say, there's links around this video if you want to follow along. If you have used a system like this, or you have any value to add to any affiliate programs or business opportunities that you see online, be sure to comment below. As I say, there is going to be a link for some type of extra training, specifically paid training, which is really hard to pick up if you don't have the experience, and you're not able to really have somebody that you can learn from that's actually been there and done that. As I say, I have a good network of individuals that worked for agencies, PPC agencies, run affiliate marketing programs in different verticals, and everything like that. So that is today's video. As I say, this will be an ongoing thing. So if you have any questions, be sure to reach out. Be sure to check out what we have going on here. And yeah, as I say, there's other projects, there's other verticals, there's other businesses that we're going to look to implement similar things on. So look at the info below, and I hope that this has been a good valuable video for you to watch as part of this series. There will be next ones. Next ones come in, and I will keep you updated with the model. Speak soon.